This was my dream job. Hydro electric power. Yep. And I got a phone call in Tennessee once. And it's a long story.
Come on in, guys. One more down further. Go ahead and start your photos. Just wait for the last few people here. All right, everybody. Welcome inside the Nevada wing of the power plant. Now, as you look directly ahead of us, the first thing you see are the 8 red and blue commercial generators. There are 9 of these over on the Arizona side of the power plant as well, for a total of 17 generators. Now, each one of them is 70 feet tall. However, looking at them, you're only seeing the top 30 feet. There's still 40 feet down over the floor. That's where the Francis Ranch, each one can produce up to 150 megawatts of electricity. That's enough power for up to 100,000 homes per year.
Now, as Bobby's leading us along, if you look down from time to time, you'll see some more of those inlays designed by the artist Alan Tupper True. In the middle of these inlays, you'll see drains. We have gutters and drains at all of our time. You gotta remember that really up until late 1960s, you can go anywhere unless you're in a suit and tie.
That one, dude.
You gonna go out there?
Yeah, take your time, guys. Hurry up. Stairs on the downhill side rusted out, so they changed those out. The stairs on the uphill side are the original stairs, you'll be able to see those. Now we're going to operate just like we do equipment and vehicles in mine shafts and tunnels for carbon monoxide issues. After many complaints, the state of Nevada came out and did it. Companies end up settling out of court for an undisclosed amount of money. Whatever it was, I guarantee you it was too late, especially when you on the dam, I'm not allowed to talk about that. But I can tell you there's a lot more of that now on the bridge than there is here.